Oh, you just kill me. Let me go. Untie me. Take your things and walk out of here.
I can't do that. You know I can't do that.
You can get away, Ella. You can escape. All you gotta do is walk through that door. Just kill me now, God damn it!
That's beautiful.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm just so tired, baby.
I am too. You ever think of that?
Then end it.
Okay. Cut.